Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can easily jailbreak iOS 12.5.8 on all of your iOS devices which support this version. The method shown in this video is completely free. We will be using the Chimera Jailbreak. As you can see, I have this iPhone 6 running iOS 12.5.8. Now to start the process, you need a few things. The first one is the Chimera Jailbreak tool itself. You can simply head to the Chimera Jailbreak official website. It is completely free and simply get the IPA from here. Don't worry, it shows that it currently supports iOS 12.5.7 to the max, but it will work on iOS 12.5.8 also. As you can see right here, I have the IPA here already. Now to install the IPA for the Chimera Jailbreak onto your device, you can use Impactor. You can simply head to its official GitHub page and you can get it under releases. Before you can use Impactor, make sure that you have installed iTunes. You can install iTunes from the official Apple's website. Also, if you don't want to use Impactor and you are used to Sideloadly, you can use Sideloadly as well. You can get to the official website for Sideloadly and simply scroll down, and from there first of all install iTunes, and for Sideloadly you will also have to install the iCloud web app. You can get it from here and then you can get Sideloadly from here and then install it. I want to make this guide as easy as possible, so I will use Impactor, which is easier to use and it is less prone to errors. From the official GitHub page for Impactor, you will see releases. From there you can simply scroll down and get this file for your Windows PC, or you can also use the portable version, but I used this one, and then install it like any other app. Now at this point, please connect your iOS device and keep it unlocked. Now simply fire up Impactor and you will see your device right here. Now to make sure that the process is not interrupted, you will have to temporarily turn off Defender. Once the process is complete, make sure you turn it on. Now simply hit this gear icon and simply sign in or add your Apple account here. Any Apple ID will work. Once you have added it, you can simply go back, then hit this import IPA button. Now from there, simply select the Chimera IPA file you just got, then hit open and then hit install and wait for the process to finish. Once the process is complete, you are good to go. Now we will follow the rest of the process on device. You can close out of Impactor or Sideloadly if you have used that one. Alright, here is our device. Just to show you that it is the same device, I will first of all go to settings. You can see it is running iOS 12.5.8. It's an iPhone 6, and if we check here, we have the Chimera app. Before you can open the app, make sure you go to settings, then go to general, scroll all the way down to device management and trust the app from here against your Apple ID. Make sure that Wi-Fi is connected before you do so. Once it is trusted, you can go back and then open Chimera. You see that for this version of Chimera, it will show that it will work up to iOS 12.5.7, but don't worry, again it will work on 12.5.8 also. Now simply we will hit the jailbreak button and we will wait for the process to complete, and you will see reboot required. Hit on OK. Your device will now reboot. Alright, as you can see, the device is back on. Please go in. Now this time again open the Chimera app and then again hit the jailbreak button. Sometimes what happens is that your device will reboot automatically and will not complete the jailbreak process. The solution is to wait for like 2 to 3 minutes before you hit the jailbreak button the second time after the reboot. Alright, now we will hit it and we will wait for the process to complete. You can see it is working just fine. My device did not reboot. Again, if it reboots, don't worry, simply try it again. The device will now respring. We are back on. Now simply go in, slide, and after some time, after a few seconds, you will see Sileo here on your home screen. There it is, guys. If it still does not appear, simply reboot your device and open the Chimera app and attempt to jailbreak your device again, and Sileo will appear. Now let's open it. Now if I scroll down, you can see the version iOS 12.5.8, and you can see it is working just fine without issues. As you can see, we have some updates. Go to packages and then hit upgrade all. Now if you see this message, this error message, don't worry, hit on OK. Simply search or find a package called libios exec1. All right, you'll see it here. All right, simply select it, then hit modify, and then update only this package first of all. All right, and then hit done. Now again go to packages, then hit upgrade all. Now you can upgrade all packages without issues, no errors, and then simply wait for the update of these packages to complete. All right, once complete, you will see done here, and now all the packages are updated. Now to install your tweaks and make sure they run without issues, what you will do is you will go to search and install libhooker common. All right, find libhooker common, hit on get. If you still see this error message, don't worry, simply quit Sileo, reopen it, and wait for the sources to refresh. Then go to search and then again search for libhooker common. Hit on get. This time this will install all the related packages. Confirm. All right, restart Springboard. Once you are back in, again open Sileo. You will have to install one another package so that when you install a tweak which requires it to display its settings in the settings app, you will have to install preference loader. Simply search for preference loader and then get queue and confirm to install the preference loader. Then restart Springboard. Once you are back on, again open Sileo, and now you are ready to install your tweaks. I want to test a tweak so that you can see that it works. We are at Sileo. Go to search and we will install a completely free tweak called 13HUD. All right, so that we can get the volume HUD which you see in the newer iOS versions on iOS 12. All right, hit on get queued and confirm. All right, restart Springboard. Once you are in, you can see the tweak works. We have the volume HUD for the newer devices on our iPhone 6 now. And now if I open settings, scroll all the way down, you can see I have the 13 HUD options here also, which means the preference loader is working just fine. No issues whatsoever. One last thing, if you reboot your device or your battery runs out, Sileo will stop working and you'll have to open the Chimera app again to jailbreak your device. It will take a few seconds and your tweaks will work just as before and Sileo will work just fine. Also, if you want to get your device back to stock and remove this jailbreak, you will have to simply reboot your device, turn it off, and then simply turn it back on. Once your device gets back on, you will see Sileo will not open. What you will do is simply open the Chimera app and then hit the jailbreak button to jailbreak the device again. Now to remove the jailbreak, simply hit this arrow and then hit restore root FS. You will see this message, hit on OK and then hit restore file system and wait for the process to finish. All right. When you hit OK, your device will now reboot. All right, once your device gets back on, when you open it, the jailbreak is now completely removed. The Sileo package manager is gone. If you still see it, don't worry. It will be just like a placeholder because the UI cache did not work properly at that time, you can simply move it in a folder and forget about it. Now, if you want to re-jailbreak your device, you will open the Chimera app and then repeat the jailbreak process to re-jailbreak it. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.